Today we'll go to the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar University. Bismillah. हाँ. ऑटो को जाएंगे. हाँ ना. Look at the weather, guys. Just look at this. Green trees, blue sky. You know it's autumn, so leaves are falling everywhere from trees. You can see the trees aren't green anymore. But I'll take you to a place where it's a lot of greenery. I wonder why there's so less traffic. Where there is suppose like jammed road. This road is always jammed. But today it's not. So I wonder why. So now it's a slope, so we get to take some rest. We'll get some momentum and we'll leave the pandal. And there you go. So whenever you bike, make sure you wear riding gears, because if you fall, that can be bad. This is the Panchakki Masjid. We'll go straight forward, and it's a slope, which is my worst nightmare. I have to put a lot of energy now. This is also very less crowded nowadays, because you know the temperature is about 14 to 15 degrees, and you know due to cold people just don't come here. Now it's gonna be a slope. Again we'll get some momentum to take some rest. Look how good the roads are. I can say that India is developing bit by bit, and I think until 2060 it will become a developed nation. Just look at this. Everyone's cleaning the roads. The roads are made very good. Very nice day for us. So let's head to it. Huh? This is kinda, you know, a bit steep, but and do you guys know the full form of AMC? The full form of AMC is Aurangabad Municipal Corporation. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, because I've come 6 kilometers far from my home just to make this vlog. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now I'll take you to Baba Saheb Ambedkar University, which I hope is not under maintenance now, but yeah. Guys, just look at the view here. Guys, now we'll find a hidden gem. Let's go there. It's present in this place at the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar University. But it's very difficult to paddle now. It's a lot far away from you guys. Now there's a slope, but after the slope there's a steep hill again. So I gotta save the energy here. Let's save the energy. We'll not paddle now. Look how much greenery is here. Like, come on you guys. If you come to Aurangabad, make sure to visit this place. Even if it's autumn, there's still a lot of greenery, I can say. There's a road planer going there, but we'll go straight home. Look over there. Can you look how steep that slope is? Look how steep that slope is. You have to climb all the way there. Let us save the energy now. Look how easily we climbed the slope, guys. No. I'll fall. That's what I'm trying to say. Due to the momentum we gained on that slope, it was extremely easy for me to climb it. Look how green it is. Look at that Ola guy. Always there's leaves falling. And now it's the time to show you the hidden gems of this university. Let's go there. Get ready, tighten your seat belts. You can already see it now. But this is not what you would expect. See this? Can you see this? Look at the gems of nature. Look at the view. Look at here. And look at this. I think I need to make a cinematic shot of this. Just look at that. Chill, guys. I'd come here in the spring again, because if I come if it's so good in the autumn, then you can never imagine how good it will be in the spring season. I think this is a mini Switzerland of the university, right? Because there's a lot of greenery here. Like, and it's probably at 11 to 12 degrees in here. It's so cold. I'm freezing right now. Guys, we stopped because of some mechanical difficulties in the cycle. But we'll continue on the road forward. I hope you can hear me clearly. But it's too nice out here. Say, guys, oh shoot, oh my god, this is actually called adventure. guys, I just don't, you know, I just don't hope there's kidnappers there. Oh, a pond! Come on, you guys. A pond is, oh my god, a pond. Huh? Guys, this is what is called adventure. You can just enjoy, and look, it's off-road as well. But my cycle isn't built for off-road. It's built for plain terrain. Ooh, what the hell is even this, guys? Like, oh my, I think there is a home in front, right? Oh my god. Let's take a U. But come on, guys. This, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't come here since ages. And this is my first time coming here. I just don't hope it's a home of kidnappers, right? I'm afraid of kidnappers. Let's go. Yup. Guys, this is literally called adventure. Again, there's a technical difficulty in my cycle, so I'll stop to fix it. The handle bent. Yup. Like, if you live in Aurangabad and haven't come here, like, shame of you guys if you haven't come. So as I said, this is autumn in India, so a lot of leaves are falling. My camera is on the chest, so I think you could hear my heartbeat.
नहीं
नहीं जी, कैमरा नहीं था उसके पास, कैमरा नहीं लगे हुआ था बोला. You can see the beautiful autumn view, guys, but I'm out of my breath. The vlog ends here. Sorry.